Best drone. Are you looking for the best drone? In this video we will look at some of the best drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is a versatile and beginner-friendly quadcopter ideal for kids and novice drone users. Designed for ease of use, it includes intuitive features such as one-key takeoff and landing, making it accessible for users new to drone flying. Its 1080p HD camera provides clear, high-quality visuals that can be viewed in real time via FPV, first-person view, for an immersive flying experience. The foldable design allows for easy transport and storage, fitting conveniently into the included carrying case. A standout feature of this drone is its voice and gesture control capabilities, enabling users to capture photos or control flight through simple hand gestures or voice commands, adding an element of fun and convenience. For stability, the drone uses optical flow positioning technology, which helps maintain a steady hover even in windy conditions, resulting in smoother videos and photos. Additional features such as the 360 degrees flip function and waypoint fly mode offer a dynamic flying experience. The 360 degrees flip allows the drone to perform aerial stunts with a single button press, perfect for entertaining both the user and spectators. The waypoint fly feature lets users set a custom flight path on the app, allowing the drone to follow a designated course for more advanced flight control. Overall, this drone provides a solid combination of high-quality video, ease of operation, and fun features that enhance the flying experience for beginners and young users. Its design and functionality make it a practical choice for learning basic drone controls while also enjoying creative flying options, ideal for recreational use and introductory aerial photography. Number 2. The 1080p HD foldable FPV mini drone is a compact and user-friendly option for both kids and adults, designed to make flying easy and enjoyable. With its 1080p HD camera, users can capture clear aerial photos and videos. The foldable design and lightweight structure make it portable and easy to carry, making it ideal for outdoor adventures or family gatherings. Equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, the drone offers extended flight time, so users can enjoy longer sessions without frequent interruptions. One-key takeoff and landing simplify operation, especially for beginners, while the altitude hold function helps the drone maintain a stable hover at a set altitude for smoother shots and easier control. The drone features several beginner-friendly options, including headless mode, which allows users to control the drone relative to their position rather than the drone's orientation, perfect for new pilots. Gravity control adds another layer of fun, allowing users to control the drone's movements by tilting their mobile device. Gesture control lets users snap hands-free selfies with a simple hand gesture, making it fun and interactive. Advanced features like the 360 degrees flip and 3-speed modes cater to users of all experience levels. The 360 degrees flip function enables fun aerial stunts, while the adjustable speed settings let users customize their flying experience, starting slow for control or speeding up as they gain confidence. Waypoint fly mode adds to the excitement by letting users preset a flight path on the app, so the drone can autonomously follow a specific route. Overall, this FPV mini drone combines ease of use with creative features, making it suitable for casual users who want to explore aerial photography and enjoy a versatile flying experience. Number 3. The 2K HD FPV drone with brushless motor is a compact, beginner-friendly drone that offers advanced features for smooth and enjoyable flying. Its 2K HD camera delivers clear, high-resolution images and videos, making it suitable for capturing quality aerial footage. The drone's FPV, first-person view, capability allows users to stream live video to their mobile device, providing an immersive flying experience. Built with brushless motors, the drone promises a quieter and more efficient flight, reducing wear and enhancing durability compared to standard brushed motors. This feature improves performance, especially during extended flights or in moderate wind conditions, making the drone more reliable for outdoor use. The drone is designed with convenience in mind, featuring one-key takeoff and landing, which simplifies operation for beginners. The foldable structure enhances portability, allowing users to easily carry it in a bag or backpack, ideal for those on the go. Gesture control enables users to take hands-free selfies by signaling to the drone with specific gestures. The drone also includes a 360 degrees flip function, which adds an element of excitement by allowing users to perform aerial stunts with a single button press. Additionally, the Waypoint Fly feature enables users to draw a route on the app for the drone to follow, enhancing the flying experience with an autonomous flight path. Overall, this foldable mini drone combines ease of use with powerful features, making it an excellent choice for beginners interested in aerial photography or casual flying. The high-quality 2K camera, brushless motors, and user-friendly controls make it a well-rounded option for those looking to explore drone flying with a reliable, compact model. Number 4. The 4K FPV GPS drone is a powerful and feature-rich option designed for adults seeking high-quality aerial photography and smooth flying experiences. With its 4K camera, this drone captures ultra-clear photos and videos, perfect for users interested in stunning aerial shots. The 5G transmission system ensures fast, real-time video feed, providing a seamless FPV, first-person view, experience with minimal lag, so users can enjoy high-definition visuals directly on their mobile devices. Equipped with brushless motors, this drone offers quieter and more efficient performance compared to traditional brushed motors, making it more durable and well-suited for handling moderate wind conditions. Weighing 248 grams, the drone is lightweight yet stable, allowing it to maintain steady flight while being portable and easy to carry. The GPS functionality enhances the flying experience by enabling precise location tracking. It includes an auto-return feature, which automatically brings the drone back to its starting point if the battery runs low or if it loses signal, helping prevent loss. The Waypoint Fly feature allows users to set a custom route by drawing it on the app, enabling the drone to autonomously follow a designated path for creative flight routes. Gesture control is another engaging feature, allowing users to capture hands-free photos by using simple hand gestures. With 2 included batteries providing up to 46 minutes of total flight time, users can enjoy longer sessions without frequent recharging interruptions. Overall, this GPS-enabled 4K drone offers a robust set of features designed for adults looking for a high-performance model. Its advanced 4K camera, efficient brushless motors, reliable GPS, and long flight time make it ideal for both capturing professional quality footage and enjoying an immersive, stable flying experience. Number 5. The REDRIE Drone with 1080p FPV camera is a versatile and beginner-friendly foldable drone designed for both kids and adults. With its 1080p camera, users can capture clear aerial photos and videos, which can be streamed directly to a mobile device via FPV, first-person view, for a more immersive flying experience. Its foldable design makes it compact and easy to carry, enhancing its portability and convenience. This drone is packed with user-friendly features, including an upgraded altitude hold function, which helps the drone maintain a steady hover, making it easier to control and providing smoother footage. One key start and landing simplify operation, especially for beginners, allowing users to get the drone up in the air or safely land it with just one button. The REDRIE drone also includes several fun and interactive flight modes. Gesture control lets users take selfies or videos hands-free by signaling to the drone with specific gestures. Headless mode allows for easy orientation control, as it moves relative to the user rather than the drone's direction, ideal for new pilots. The 3D flip feature adds excitement, enabling users to perform aerial stunts with a quick command. Additionally, Circle Fly and Waypoint Fly modes allow for creative flight paths. Circle Fly makes the drone orbit around a point, while Waypoint Fly lets users draw a custom route for the drone to follow. With 3 speed modes, users can choose their preferred flying pace, adjusting from slow to fast based on their skill level or the type of experience they want. 2 batteries extend the flight time, allowing for longer sessions without frequent recharging. Overall, the REDRIE drone is an accessible and fun choice for anyone looking to explore drone flying, offering easy controls, interactive modes, and solid performance for casual aerial photography and recreational flying.